about how the brakes are getting worn out. That'll be fixed with disc brakes, as you do. It's probably never had the oil changed. Have to count up them splines.
You hear that?
Yeah. Yeah, I heard the clunk. Cracked all the way through.
Yeah.
Easy peasy.
It's the redneck way, but it works pretty good.
I mean, hell, this is half the way I see anyone do it. It's still on there pretty decently.
Oh yeah, it's pressed in there.
Yeah, there's only 400 different variations of the setup on bearings.
Well, that's Ford.
Yeah.
What are we looking for?
Like 1.530.
1.532.5. Yeah.
Yeah, so that
That bearing you're looking at is probably the right one.
Oh yeah. You can tell it's working because it gets harder the more you push. Okay, we left the car in neutral. That would be super awkward. This shit's nasty.
I don't mind the smell.
Yeah, well. That makes one of us. She gonna go. Oh, it ain't that bad. I can see through it still. Yeehaw.
Bumpa-da-dum-ba-dum.
Free bucket.
Yeah, it came with crap.
Ford crap.
Is that scrap metal?
Basically.
Dog. Dog.
Oh yeah.
It is definitely still a 275 open diff.
That's as far as anyone else is concerned.
That won't last long.
Yeah, it won't. I don't know which side's the long and the short side, so we're just gonna guess. I wonder why the short axle just fits on both sides, though.
We did check that, didn't we?
Yeah, we checked that it engages. I think. We did on one of them, and we just assumed the other one would.
Assumptions are the mother of all.
Unless this is the... Oh, you know what? This is the wrong side. It's engaging to the differential, though.
Oh, it might be the wrong side.
Yeah. Good test hit. Maybe dry. Alright, let's find out that both axles are too fucking long. There's the differential. Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I feel a lot. And then I took the nuts out. Ain't nothing like drilling through a new paint job.
I should have done this before I painted the car. Also, I didn't think you were actually going to do a passenger mirror, so.
No, I like to see who's losing.
Lame. But we are doing this the proper way, using riv nuts.
Yeah.
So,
As opposed to the self-tappers they gave us. As we oversized the holes.
well, you're lucky I had just enough.
No, it's called I planned for that. What are you talking about?
Are you calling me a hoarder?
No. But once I leave, yes. I don't need to have the know-how or tools or experience or, supplies. I just show up and it's like, okay, well, I'll work on it.
Oop, don't mind that.
It's alright, it's on video. I mean, you're just hitting the trim, so.
Unlike you city folk. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, that doesn't look dumb at all. Okay. Get in the hole. There we go. Oh, good. My best angle.
Now that the hard part's over,
Oh, struggling, yeah. Last piece until the other last piece. I think we see that side.
a little bit of bad gas.
Yeah, only 2 years old. Still runs on it though.
Don't add this to my resume. I am not an upholstery guy.
That looks good for my house.
Well, I'll flip it over here in a minute.
I mean, it doesn't look like it has black mold in it like the original piece. You want my help or you got it? The reveal. Oh, look at that. Now, hang on. Now, show the factory original one.
Oh.
Yeah. So look how crusty and busted the old one is, and look how new it is.
I got a fingerprint here, but...
It's all right. When I commit...
Oh, never mind. I got it out.
Damn it. I was going to commit a crime and just leave my car at the scene.
Actually, it looks pretty good.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, it does look tight as a drum.
All right, we'll let that dry.
Yeah. Now we just got to do the another
Do
one.
more.
Yeah, one
and
more.
Car's done, pretty much.
Yeah. I love it. Oh, yeah, I guess I'll probably adjust the mirror. Nice. Oh, yeah.
it worth a year and a half?
Yeah. Yeah, very much so.
I might have missed the timeline by a couple months.
Yeah, it wasn't. The timeline was flexible. We now know how long it takes to paint a 70 Ford Galaxy. 2 years.
Yes, and 2 gallons of paint.
Yeah. Yeah, at the very least 2 gallons of paint. This is pretty sweet.
Look, this is your video, so you can do the outro.
Oh, I don't know. I mean, follow your dreams. I don't know. I had dreams.
How was this experience for you?
It's been a lot of work. It was worthwhile.
Oh, yeah.
Everyone should, chase after what they want.
How hard was that body work for you?
I mean, sanding on the side of hood was a pain in the ass. I'll tell you what. Like the 3 things I had to sand on that car, awful. Wouldn't recommend it. And nothing I had to paint was awful. Just keep
You
it
trust me
rolling.
with your car. I'll trust you with my truck.
Yeah. That's the only way you trust me with your truck, is with something more valuable behind it.
Yeah.
At least something I consider more valuable.